Flash flood emergency for Valdosta. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a flash flood warning for central Lowndes County in south-central Georgia until 3:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Emergency Management reported heavy rain across the warned area. Between 5 and 8 inches of rain have fallen. The expected additional rainfall is 2 to 4 inches in 4 hours. Major flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for Valdosta. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: Emergency Management reported. Impact: this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Valdosta, I-75 at exit 16, Moody Air Force Base, Remerton, Valdosta Regional Airport, I-75 at exit 11 and Kinderloo. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.